Only the customer had a backup yesterday. Sent the camera crew out. They cameraed the line. Saw that there was roots on MSD's portion of the line. So from there, they'll turn it over for a sanitary crew to come out and then excavate the yard, take care of the issue. 90%, I would say, of our digs is root issues. So yeah, we pretty much see this on a daily basis. It's a big issue because if it's a total blockage, then it causes the sewage to back up in your house, whether it be the basement, your garage, your restroom, shower. So it is a major issue. Well, as far as roots, there's really not much they can do to prevent it because most of it's the old clay pipe and the roots get in the joints of the old clay pipe. So as far as preventing it, there's nothing they can do about it, but probably to get rid of the issue, they can run PVC pipe from their house out, and they'll take care of the issue. A normal plumber, will come out and do that for them. The customer line connects to our line, so we maintain from that shared joint out to the main line. So we always dig out the shared joint so we can maintain our portion of the line. So pretty much what we come out and do, dig out the shared joint, remove the roots, whatever the issue is, flush the line, get it open, install a two-way clean out for future MSD use. If we have to come back, flush the line, camera line, or something like that. And backfill the hole, put the yard back like we got it, grass seed, straw, job done.